Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we will talk about how to blink an LED without delay. First of all, it's important to understand why should we avoid delays. So delay, it's very good if the task is we are talking about a simple task and one task at the time. But it's very important to know that the delay itself, it pauses the program for the amount of time in milliseconds as specified as parameter. So if there are 1000 milliseconds, we are talking about 1 second, and in that time your Arduino won't be reading any kind of sensors, won't be writing anything. Actually, it is doing nothing, it stops. And if we go through it, then uh, you should avoid the delays in the Arduino programming itself. And there is an alternative approach for that. It is without blinking, without delay. If you open the documentation, we have the same schematic reproduced in Tinkercad, where we have an Arduino Uno, we have an LED and the specific resistance at 220 ohm. So that's the same schematic circuit what we have. That's the same circuit what we have here. And we have the Arduino board, we have the LED, and we have the resistor. That's the schematic of that. And we have the code. So I won't be reinventing the wheel, but we will talk about each of the lines individually, what is that actually doing. So first of all, let's pick the interval, which is a constant long interval. It is 1000 millisecond in our case. And let me comment all the delays, actually all the section, the block from here till the end. And let's build the structure of that. So we will keep the LED pin as pin 13, that's correct. And we have to use an unsigned long for the current millisecond, which you can request with the millis. And you have to define an LED state as default LED state. So our LED state is low. We don't want to turn on as a default. And we have to define also a previous milliseconds, which since we are talking from zero, then that's the zero, that's the starting point. And we have the part where we have the criteria with an if state. If the current millisecond minus the previous millisecond, it's greater than or equals with the interval, then it is entering in the if loop. And in that if loop, we have to store the previous milliseconds when it is entered in that if loop, and we have to create another if state where we are defining if the LED state as default we have defined as low, it is low, then we have to set the LED state to high, so that will be responsible for the blinking itself. Else, if the LED state is high, then we are defining as low. It's very simple. And we have to define the digital write state for the LED pin and to the LED state. And let's close the if state and let's run the simulation. So problem is somewhere with the brackets. I haven't started the bracket here. And your LED blinking application, it is working without the delay. If you would like to see similar videos in the future, please consider to like and subscribe to my channel.